What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we have a 4-door Tahoe in for a sunroof install. This Tahoe has been had a sunroof previously put in, but it's a manual one where you have to literally pop the clips and then push it up, and it's really small, so we're gonna get away with that. We're gonna cut that out. We're gonna put in an electric pop-up slider, so it's gonna give this Tahoe a badass look. It's lowered already. It's a nice Tahoe. Go from there. We're gonna go with the black suede. We're gonna paint her plastics just from the headliner up black, so everything matches. Go from there. Here's the sunroof we're using. We got the sunroof. We're using the hardcover shade. We'll wrap that also in black suede. Here's the Tahoe. It already needs another headliner. Starting to peel down. There's the old sunroof. Like I said, black suede. We're gonna black these out. Black out the handles, the vents. We're gonna have to see what we're gonna do with these controls because the sunroof is gonna be right in the way. But you can see this thing had a previous sunroof. Ugly. So we're gonna take that out, make this look OEM once we install our bracket. Go from there. Alright guys, we got the headliner out. Big ass headliner. There she is. Now we gotta get my bracket and start trimming, cutting the bracing off wherever we need to. My only concern is the top console there has the buttons for the AC, and then this gets chopped off anyway, so that's not no biggie. Alright, I'll give the customer a call and see what she wants to do about that. I might have to relocate it. If not, I'm gonna have to just relocate the actual box, the controls, which are these, and I might have to just cut the wires and extend them and probably hide this somewhere where she can get to them. But we'll see. I'll give her a call, see what she says. Check it out. It's the next day, and yeah, we got snowed on, but we gotta keep grinding on this Tahoe, get it out. Check it out. Roof is painted. Sunroof's open. It's looking good. There she is. We're gonna get the headliner done. That's all we have left, and now we can put all the plastics, painting of the visors and then the top consoles, and we should be done. And clean up all this wiring, make everything look nice, and then we'll install the headliner. So the sunshade already has the black suede already on it. A little dirty, but we're almost there. Alright guys, install is about 98% done. We are just gluing the top console bracing so it don't come off, because obviously we had to get rid of the support that holds that little console. So, but the next thing I'm gonna do is, I can't just give it to her like that. This is her little box she has in the back, and this is bugging me. So I want to go ahead and wrap this front face in suede, black suede for her, so that way when you look at the top, check it out, all suede. And when you come down, the box that sits here, that'll be wrapped in suede, just the front face. Little something I'm gonna give her at no cost, just because it's bugging me, and I want that to be all suede right here in the front, so it looks more presentable. Sometimes stuff I do at no extra cost, but I think it'll look better than just having it just like this. Check it out. It's just the top panel they had on the box. Wrapped it in black suede. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in. We'll install the speakers.